Hello, this video is going to go over function transformations on a point. Now, so far you've done quite a bit of transformations with graphs. So for example, this one would be left 2. But in these examples, we are going to be doing them on a point. So we really don't have a visual representation, but we can kind of work it out ourselves. So here's what we have. We have a quadratic function, y equals f of x, is plotted on a graph, and the vertex of the parabola is -3 and -6. What is the vertex of the function defined as g of x equals f of x plus 4? All right, so before you get too worried about this, I just kind of want to do a visual representation here. So we are looking at a quadratic function, so that is a parabola, and the vertex is -3, -6. So we went over 3, so 1, 2, 3, or sorry, left 3 and then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally 6. All right, and then that is where our vertex is, and our parabola is going to look like this. Pretend that looks better. All right, now here is how this function has transformed. We are now taking that function f of x and then we are adding 4. So what does that do to the function? Well, plus 4 on the outside is going up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our new vertex, or this is our new parabola. So what is the vertex of the new function? Well, we can actually figure that out now. Our vertex is still at left 3, all right? We're still at -3 for my x value. But -6, we have moved this up by 4, so now this is only -2. We were at -6, we went up by 4, now we are at -2. So let's do one more just to make sure that we have this. All right, and I'm actually going to try to do this without the graph to help us out. We're going to try to do this without the graph. So here is our initial parabola, our initial vertex is 6, -4, 6, -4. So then it's asking for, well, what is the new vertex if we are taking g of x equals f and then x plus 3 on the inside? So this tells me, this x plus 3 on the inside, on my input here, this tells me that we are going left. Ooh, boy, that's quite the letter. We are going left by 3. So if I want to go left by 3, here's what we have. Instead of being at 6, -4, well, left 3, instead of at 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. So now we are at 3, -4. Same height, we're still at -4, but we have just gone left by 3. So instead of 6, we are now at 3. All right, so for these problems, if you need to draw out a graph, that'll help you out, but just write down a roadmap. If I am at 3, 5 to start off with, and we are going, ooh, and this one we're not left 3, we're actually left 5, well, 3 minus 5 is -2. And there we are for our next one. But if you need to draw out a graph, feel free to do so.